guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'll be doing an unboxing of the April edition of Boxycharm's box. So if you guys want to see what I got in this box, what my thoughts are, then definitely keep on watching. Alright, so I did something a little differently. This time I opened my box beforehand and I decided to do an entire look with what's in this box, and I will post like the video right here of me doing this eye look and everything like that. But I'm gonna go ahead and just dive on into this. This box edition is the Peace, Love, and Boxy box. This is their like Coachella box they have ready for all the festival seasons. So inside, I know that everybody did get the Pure Cosmetics Festival palette, and I saw that we were getting this and I got a little hesitant because I want to say about a year ago, actually, I'll post a video right here. I got a Boxycharm Pure Cosmetics like collab eyeshadow palette, and I thought it was horrible. I literally thought it was horrible. I hated it. It smelled like chemicals, so I was really hesitant to try out this palette. But so this is the eyeshadow palette from Pure Cosmetics. There are 12 shades in this palette. There are 2 glitters, I want to say 4 mattes, and the rest are shimmers in here. I will definitely say it is a really gorgeous eye-catching palette. Like, I was really blown away by this purple, these 2 glitters right here, and some of the shimmer shades right up here. I was like, okay, these are actually really pretty. I do like them. In this actual like collection box itself, it does come with Get a Grip eyeshadow primer, and it says use a brush and pack on the pigment into your skin, build and blend it to achieve a desired look. So it's kind of cool that it came with a eyeshadow primer, although I'm not even gonna lie to you, I completely forgot that it came with an eyeshadow primer until after I already completed my eyeshadow look. Then I looked in the box and I was like, oh my gosh, like, it's in there, but I didn't use it. So this palette does retail for $36, and it says unleash the ultimate festival vibes with this limited edition 12-piece pressed pigment palette that competes with bold, imaginative pigments that elevate your look for any occasion. From boho-inspired metallics to eye-catching glitters, each cruelty-free shade is infused with skin-loving ingredients. And I do love the fact that this is cruelty-free, absolutely. But when I first saw this, like I saw we're getting the eyeshadow palette, like I said, I was not really excited for it at all. I was like, oh god, it's gonna be just like the other Pure Cosmetics palette. But I was actually pretty stunned by this. I was actually pretty blown away. I am rather pleased with this eyeshadow palette. I'm not gonna lie to you, like, I do not think that I did the most prettiest eye look. Like, I just don't. I think that the shadows performed very well and they blended really, really, really easily. And the glitters, I did not use pressed glue for, and I was supposed to use glitter glue. I did not have any glitter glue to use, so I just packed it on. I packed it on with my packer brush, and I just kept packing and packing. And I did have some buildup, and I had like virtually any fallout. There's a little pickup in the palette itself, but it's not like anything overwhelming. But I had no fallout on my face. I actually did my foundation first, which is something that I never do. When I do an eye look, I always do my foundation after my eye look, but I did it first, and I do think this is a pretty look. I think right here it's a little messy, and I don't know if I did the best colors, and like I said, I don't think it's my prettiest look, but I did want to have a good time and do like a festive look, like a Coachella look, and I know that what they use is like really bright festive colors with lots of glitter. So I just went in there with like an orangey brown as like a base, and then I laid down this like little purple guy right here, and then I packed it on with these 2 glitters to go on top of it. So is it the most eye-catching, prettiest eye look I've done? Buff. No, it is not. By any means, it's not. But it's not like it's not horrible. It's just not horrible. It's just not one of my favorites. So the next product that we got is the Luxie Summer Days 3-piece brush set. So I do like Luxie brushes. We do get them a lot in our Boxycharm boxes. I think they have like some type of deal going on with Luxie brand. But it's a 3-piece deluxe set, and these are the brushes themselves. This does retail for $28, and it was curated for the perfect festival look that will last all day. Use the Luxie 512 small contouring brush to sculpt and define your cheekbones, while the Luxie 245 small shader brush is perfect to pack on your base shadow and glitter. Grab the Luxie 209 large shader brush to pat on and blend out any eye look. Okay, I feel like this is huge. This is massive to do like an eye look. I mean, look at that. It is like literally bigger than my eye itself. Like, why would I use that for my eye? Just no. I probably use this as like a little concealer to cut out my crease. That's probably use that for. This, I don't really know what I use it for. Maybe my under eye. Like, I don't know. I don't know if I really got much uses. I did use this for like a highlighter brush. It was not the best choice to use, but I wanted to give it a try. So that is that set right there. Like I said, it does retail for $28. The next thing I got in my box is the Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder. It says this all-natural, vegan, and cruelty-free loose powder highlight can be used on the eyes, lips, face, and body. This versatile formula is highly pigmented and suitable for all skin tones. Create a subtle luminous finish or layer on top for unreal glow, and it retails for $27. I'm actually wearing it right now, and I was a little unsure about it at first, because if you guys like look at it right here, like look how much powder that is, and it looks a lot deeper in the actual like pan itself. It looks like a bronzy gold color. So I was like, oh man, this is gonna make a really bronzy look. But when I started to put it on, it just like shifted to be like lighter. It really gives me vibes of the Amazing highlighter from Anastasia Beverly Hills. That's a very similar color that we have, and it's a very like champagne-y color, and I think it's really gorgeous. It's just, it's very messy. I got it all over my desk. It's like, I don't know if you guys can see, it's like, it's on my hand. It's kind of bright, but it's like all over my hand. It's all over my desk. It's all over my clothes. It's kind of got everywhere, but I don't really care. But I do think it's a really gorgeous highlighter, and I do think that this is one of my favorites in this actual collection so far. The next product that we got is the Beauty For Real Finish Line Liquid Liner. It's this little guy right here, and this does retail for $16. It says Finish 24-Hour Liquid Liner is a mistake-proof pen that creates a clean line in one easy sweep. The tampered precision brush makes it easy to apply pure, deep color from thin to thick, while intensely pigmented formula makes for 20-hour smudge and budge resistant wear. And it retails for $16. So I'm gonna go ahead and sweep it right here. Yeah, look at that great swatch. I did not try out this product, and the reason being is that I'm horrible at opening liner. I don't know if it's because I have really huge eyes that when I put it on, it looks super funky on me, like really funky. And I did try it out in a video. I just don't remember what video I tried it out on, but I did a wing line for you guys, and it was just, oh my god, it was horrible. And I think it's just because I also have really hooded eyes, so it's like when I put it on here, like I know I'm not supposed to do this, but I do pull my eye back to help draw the line, and it just gets really messy. I'm not a fan of it, so that's why I never end up using it. So all I did was open it up and swatch it right here in my hand. I haven't even tried it out, so I'm probably not putting that in a giveaway box, just because I'm not gonna get any use out of it. I really won't. Last one we got in the box is the Steve Laurent lip gloss. It says 1 part balm, 3 part silks. This Steve Laurent lip gloss is never leaving your favorite purse. Formulated with a creamy lip softening texture, this one-of-a-kind hybrid gel and oil will moisturize and hydrate your lips with just one swipe. And this retails for $22. And I'm currently wearing it right now, and I will tell you what, it did glide on so smoothly. It smells really, really good, and it is very hydrating on the lips. The only thing I don't like about this lip gloss itself is it's very nude. It's a very, very nude color lip gloss, and I'm all about the nudes, like I really, really am, but I like to have some sort of pigment to it. So that's why I really like mauve colors, because they're nudie, but they have just a slight tint to it, like a slight pinkish brownish tint, and I feel like it looks really well with my skin tone. And this right here just makes it look like I have foundation lips with a gloss on top of it. So I'm not the biggest fan of the color. I think this would be great having it as a topper for any type of lipsticks former that I have, like some of the cream lipsticks that I have, or any reds, or any brown corals. I think this would look really good as a lip topper personally. I don't think I'd ever wear this by itself. I would just wear this as a topper just because it's so nudie. And I know people out there really like the nudie lips. I'm not one of them. I'm really not one of them. I probably might end up mixing it up with one of my Kylie Cosmetics matte look lips, because as much as I love her formulas, they're so drying. So I probably put this on top to add a shine and add a little bit of a change of colors. So that is what I got in this box. I actually really like this box today. I was really surprised. I don't always like everything I get in my Boxycharm box. I just don't. And especially when it comes some eyeshadow palettes, I get really iffy on eyeshadow palettes, because sometimes I'm like, oh my god, here we go with the same brown tone palettes again. And I was really liking this, and I'm really glad that it's not a collab with Boxycharm. At least it doesn't say it's on a collab with Boxycharm on here, but I think it's a really gorgeous palette. It definitely gives you the vibes of Coachella, which they are currently at right now, and I really do like how I did the eyeshadow. like look. It's just not one of my favorites by any means. I think I would do it differently next time, and I really do like almost everything I got in here except for that liquid liner because I'm never gonna use it. But I think this is a really great box, definitely worth $20. Like I really had a great time messing with it and doing it, and hopefully I did a good job doing the little video right here. It's very rare that I don't film myself doing the eyeshadow look. I mean, I filmed it, but like talking about it, like I just did it, and hopefully it turns out great. We'll see, you know, never know. So that is it for today's video, guys. Please make sure you guys give this video a cheeky thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I do post 2 videos a week. And as always, guys, I want to thank you guys for all your love and support. Oh, and before I go, I want to apologize now if I'm a little delayed this week on releasing videos. My best friend's about to give birth anytime, so if she goes into labor, like I have to be there obviously, so I'm not gonna have time to film. So if there's any sort of videos that are not coming out or I'm having delayed, just know that's the reason why. But I'll definitely give you guys an update. But yeah, until the next one, guys, bye. Hey guys. Hey guys. No. I was like a little hesitant when I'm gonna go ahead and like dive on into this shimmer matte. Ugh. All right, so this is the eye palette So this is the eye palette shadow. The next thing we got in this next. Oh my gosh. So this palette does retail for $36, and it edition 12-piece pressed palette pigment. I read that wrong. To put on the, you know, contour. To put on the, I can't even talk. The next thing I got in my box is the Otters Could.